Just like me, it's a good thing.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो होने वाली है थोड़ी सी स्पेशल क्योंकि मैं लेके आई हूँ बिगिनर्स मेकअप किट अंडर ₹500। जी हाँ, आपने बिल्कुल सही सुना, ये होने वाली है मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स सिर्फ 500 रुपये के अंडर। On that note, I've created this makeup look by using these products. If you want to know how I did it, make sure to follow me on Instagram, that is x.charles, because I'll be posting an IGTV video on my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. The primer, I have two options. One is from Swiss Beauty and the other one is from Blue Heaven. This one is a silicone based primer and gives you an even base for your makeup, and I tell you, it's my favorite one because it's affordable yet does the work. Price for this primer is just ₹200. Can you believe it? I mean, the next primer is by Swiss Beauty. It claims brighten skin, modify pores, moisturizing and nourishing at the same time. It's gonna be a good primer for the wedding where you want to look like extra glowy, and this one retails for just ₹350. Next product is foundation. For the foundation, I have two options right here. You already know the Fit Me one, and this one is Lakme 925 primer plus matte perfect cover foundation, and this one is foundation. I'm in the shade W240 which is warm beige. ये दोनों फाउंडेशन आपको लाइट टू मीडियम कवरेज देते हैं, बट ऑब्वियसली यू कैन बिल्ड इट अप विद द सेकेंड लेयर, एंड दिस वन रिटेल्स फॉर ₹350 and this one is for 400. I think I bought this one on sale. So yeah, that's it. Okay, for the concealer, I have again two options. One is from Inside Cosmetics and the other one is from Swiss Beauty, again my favorite brand. Concealer has all the peach shades, color corrector, concealers, or maybe you can use this one as your contouring. So yeah, I like this one. I'm in the shade 04 and the swatch of this concealer looks like this. The price of this one is $190 and price of this one is $220. And for the compact, I have this one from Maybelline Fit Me one. I highly recommend you guys to try this one out because it's my favorite. And I am the shade Natural Beige. Let me just give you a swatch. Wow. Blush, you can try these two. This one is from Sugar, this one is from Miss Claire in the shade 7. This one is 01 Peach Pick. You have already seen me using this one. It is for $350 and this one is for $295. The bronzer, I have this one from Sugar in the shade 02 Woody Wonder, and it looks like this. And for the contouring, I have this one from Inside Pro. It's a concealer, by the way. I just chose the darker shade for the contouring because
why not?
And this one retails for ₹190. And for the eyebrows, I have this one from Miss Claire in the shade Jet Black. The best thing about this one is that it comes with a spoolie. You can easily brush it out and fill in your eyebrows like so. And this one is under ₹200, I think. Yes. For the eyeliner, I have two options from Swiss Beauty. This one is a pen eyeliner.
Okay.
Talking about the packaging, this one looks bomb as
Nice.
The price of this eyeliner is $150 and for this one is $224. For the mascara, I have this one by Swiss Beauty. For the lips, I have these three. Two are from Miss Claire and this one is from Swiss Beauty. It looks like this. I just love in the shade 19, and this one is a lip gloss in the shade 108. Actually, I'm wearing this right now. Let me just give you a swatch. Highlighter, I have two options. One is from Swiss Beauty and this one is from again Swiss Beauty. This is a liquid highlighter. One retails for 350 and this one is under 200. Eyeshadow के लिए मेरे पास है दो options. ये वाला है by Swiss Beauty and this one is from Nika K. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. Actually, I use this one for this makeup look for 230 and this one is for rupees 300. Face, I have this one from Faces Canada. This one retails for rupees 480 and if you want to buy a cheaper one, you can definitely go and buy this one. It's from Mars. It says 24K gold makeup fix spray and this one retails for I think it's for 180 or 160 something, but it does the job. So that's it for today. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel, comment down below and like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.